Most people are finding when they charter mid-sized jets, it's a cost-effective option. For instance, the 8-passenger Citation Excel provides plenty of legroom and sliding headrests, fold-out tables, 2 air conditioning systems, and a private lavatory. And there's plenty of room for golf bags and a set of skis. This jet can fly over 1,700 nautical miles and reach a cruise altitude in only 18 minutes. People charter mid-sized jets for comfort, speed, and because they're fuel efficient. The 8-passenger Learjet 60 is another popular option, offering ample space and legroom, as well as fold-out tables and a private lavatory. Some Learjet 60s have a microwave, coffee maker, and radio phone. In less than 14 minutes, it can fly to 43,000 feet and reach speeds of over 500 knots, and has the ability to fly non-stop across the country. Another popular option is the 8-passenger Hawker 800 XP, which can fly transcontinental or international flights. For instance, the Hawker 800 XP can fly non-stop from Los Angeles to New York. In just 20 minutes, the aircraft can climb to 37,000 feet. Most seating configurations have a 3-person divan, a 4-person club section, and 1 forward-facing seat. The seats are fully adjustable and can swivel 360 degrees. This aircraft also has an internally accessible baggage compartment. Come visit our gallery for a wide selection of mid-sized jets.